Introducing the Duke HotColdFreeze, a flexible and versatile holding and serving appliance. The Duke HotColdFreeze is available in Duke's line of serving counters or as a drop-in appliance for use in custom counters. The Duke HotColdFreeze allows you to operate any well in hot, cold, or freeze modes. Mix and match modes for ultimate menu flexibility. The flush mount provides better visibility of food, easy access for customers, and easy cleaning for cafeteria staff. The Duke HotColdFreeze is equipped for the future with a built-in Wi-Fi modem for troubleshooting, maintenance alerts, and firmware updates. Duke's dry heat option keeps foods hot while saving time associated with filling and draining multiple wells with water. And the intuitive touchscreen controls are simple and easy for staff members to use. We designed the Duke HotColdFreeze for low-cost, fast, and easy maintenance. With a slide-out compressor, the unit doesn't have to be removed from the counter for service. And the heating element, control boards, and screens are low-cost and easy to replace. All of the Duke HotColdFreeze features add up to greater menu flexibility, higher food quality, and accurate temperature control. The Duke HotColdFreeze helps you satisfy more customers with broad, flexible menu options, lower your maintenance costs and downtime, and increase your revenue, delivering ultimate flexibility for your operations now and in the future. Learn more by visiting dukemfg.com/HCF.